If you're looking for a way to become successful trading Forex, then watch this entire short video, because this is the breakthrough you've been waiting for. $35,275.38. That's how much money I've made in the last 4 months trading the Forex market with just one of my accounts. Oh, and this was all on autopilot without my intervention. And of course with real money. I'll show you how to verify that in a moment. What I'm about to share with you is a completely radical and automated Forex system that defies most of the risk factors you'll find in Forex trading. What I mean is that you can trade the Forex markets and avoid high-risk trades that can wipe out your account, avoid grid trading, avoid martingale trading, avoid extraordinarily high stops, avoid long periods of exposed trades, all while still being able to earn a substantial profit. But the more important question is, what will make you the most money while trading Forex? Automated trading removes emotion from your trading, which you know can easily get in the way of winning. Trades that last for less than a day on average. Using a dynamic stop loss to cut losses as quickly as possible. Getting into only high probability of success trades. Filter out bad opportunities. Avoiding trades during certain periods of time. Does an automated system that can do all this make you money and keep risk down exist? The answer is yes. It's exactly how I made $35,275.38 in such a short period of time. In a few moments, I'll show you exactly how you can get your hands on this system and help you get on your way to a successful Forex account like mine. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Doug Price, and it's great to meet you. If you don't know me, I've been trading Forex for some time now, quite successfully. Over the years, I privately made my clients millions of dollars. I started out just like you, with minimal trading skills, wild emotions, and a desire to be a successful Forex trader. With lots of practice, studying, and more practice, one day it all clicked. And since then, I've been able to not only trade successfully, but create automated systems that help myself and other traders make money on complete autopilot. Now, I'm not telling you this to brag, but to make 2 points. 1. You don't need to have any special training. You don't need a college degree, and you don't need to have any special skills. 2. I want to show you that I'm a normal person just like you. And if I can become a success with Forex, so can you. Because all my wild success, I've been able to take care of my family and spend more time with them. I don't have to work for a boss, and I can do what I want when I want to. I want to help you achieve the same success and freedom that I have. Scalping when done right in the Forex markets can be one of the most profitable and in some cases, safest way to make bucket loads of money. If you're not familiar with scalping, it's a method of taking trades for short periods of time and taking profits fast, then doing it over and over again. But there are a few inherent risks and issues with some scalpers, making it very difficult to pull off. Not all scalpers are the same. Some scalpers have no stop loss or too high stop loss. Some scalpers trade rapidly, causing a loss of control that can drain an account within hours if not minutes. A scalper shouldn't have to trade frequently. Some scalpers have a very tight stop loss and take profit. Many brokers will slip the trades or have too high spreads, causing you to lose many trades that should have been profitable, rendering this type of scalper useless. Many scalpers don't work because of those 3 reasons, but my simple discovery within the movement of a trend allowed me to have a breakthrough that nearly eliminates the normal risks of scalping. What you see in this image is a strong trend that had a temporary pullback, then a continuation of the trend. If you don't completely understand what this is, it's basically the pricing of a currency going in a direction, pausing, then continuing. You don't need to know how to read this or use this. All you need to know is that when there is a strong enough trend, it can often have a temporary pullback. This gives the system a chance to profit from the continuation of the trend. This is done on a lower time frame in order to pick off quick, accurate, and profitable trades. The strategy I developed monitors, detects, and then trades on this specific pattern to scalp for quick and easy profits with low risk. From this, I developed my automated scalping system for the Forex markets, and I called it Scalp Trader Pro. Scalp Trader Pro is a completely automated Forex trading robot for the MetaTrader 4 platform. This platform is provided by most Forex brokers free of charge. The robot detects trends on the chart using moving averages, price action, and some other powerful tools. It will ignore weak trends, it will only look for strong trends. Once there's a certain type of pullback in the other direction, the system will scan it with an intelligent algorithm to determine if it's temporary and signaling a continuation pattern starting. If this is the case, it will jump in and collect profit for you. Generally it trades every week, but expect days here and there with no trades. This is normal and smart. Contrary to what new traders think, it's smarter not to be in the market every single day. This creates unnecessary risk for your account and can cost you profit. Scalp Trader Pro is meticulous in its analysis of the price movement and will not unnecessarily risk taking a bad trade. And as you know, that ended up leading to almost $35,275.38 in pure profit for me in a short period of time with a low risk and low drawdown. Most scalpers fail where Scalp Trader Pro excels. Let's have a quick chat about the 5 reasons why Scalp Trader Pro wins when others lose. 1. Scalp Trader Pro maintains a safe and controlled frequency of trading. This means your account balance is protected. Many scalpers are high frequency. Usually this just leads to disaster. 2. Scalp Trader Pro utilizes a special profit lock algorithm to keep winning trades from turning into losing positions. This algorithm uses certain indicators and calculations to determine appropriate times to lock in profits. 3. Scalp Trader Pro uses a sophisticated exit technology. A stop loss is set as a precaution, but is hardly ever touched due to earlier, more fruitful exit opportunities. 4. Scalp Trader Pro trade exits are not too small, that it causes the system to succumb to minor slippage, a problem that many scalpers face. 5. Scalp Trader Pro maintains a controlled environment while trading. It will trade only during specific volatilities, conditions, and positions of price action. It is not random, rather it's carefully calculated in its trade entities and exits. If you're not familiar with these terms or uncertain whether you can use this software or not, then let me clear the air. Scalp Trader Pro is beginner friendly. You do not need to have any trading experience, and you don't have to have any major computer or technical skills. It's easy to install and set up Scalp Trader Pro. You can be up and running within minutes. After that, it's completely automated. You can be out, working, sleeping, or enjoying time with your family, and it will continue to work for you. No intervention is required. Here is how simple it is to get up and running. Scalp Trader Pro is easy to set up. It has a solid strategy with the primary goal of keeping your account secure, with low risk while still raking in a substantial profit. And you saw the proof that this is all possible. But I want to take this one step further and verify the proof is valid for you with my third-party verified trading account. This image, also known as a widget, is directly from a third-party verified service called MyFXBook. They verify whether a Forex trading account is a demo account or a live account. They verify that the track record is real and valid. And lastly, they validate that the user has full control and access over the account. To verify that my account is valid and verified by MyFXBook, simply click the widget image that is a few clicks below this video. Next, you'll see something like this. Here you'll see my verified track record with charts, stats, and trades, all extracted directly from my trading account and verified as real and valid. Now if you look at the top of that page, you'll see the following. As you can see on the left, it says Real USD. That means it's on a real account with real money, not a fake demo account. On the right side, you can see the check mark next to track record verified and trading privileges verified. Each with a check means that the account trades and record were verified as valid and that my ability to trade the account is valid. Now that you've personally verified with your own eyes that the results from Scalp Trader Pro is real, we should talk about market conditions. Market conditions are constantly changing every few months, usually minor changes, but sometimes major changes. Oftentimes it's governments adjusting policies and manipulating their currencies, and other times it's banks and other big players pushing the market. Regardless of the reason, change of market conditions can happen. What is most important is how Scalp Trader Pro adjusts to those changes. Because of a unique intelligent trading algorithm, Scalp Trader Pro is able to easily navigate changes and adjust. Let me prove it to you right now. Using 99% quality tick data. This is the highest quality historical data you can get. I tested Scalp Trader Pro going back as far as 10 years. This is important for two simple reasons. 1. These tests show you and me exactly how the software traded if it had been running for 10 years straight, with absolutely no intervention. 2. The Forex markets are constantly changing. Over the course of 10 years, you can be sure that it went through many fluctuations. By thriving and profiting over those 10 years, you can be certain that Scalp Trader Pro can and will adapt to whatever market changes that may be coming. Let's take a look at these tests now. This is backtest 1. It's been running for 10 years starting with a deposit of $1,000 and accumulated a profit of $496,154.76. And this is backtest 2. It's been running for 5 years starting with a deposit of $1,000 and accumulated a profit of $239,559.99. Scalp Trader Pro has a unique ability to adapt to the ever-changing market conditions. Using a relatively safe risk, the system turned just $1,000 into $239,559. And on the other test, it turned $1,000 into $496,154. Now you're probably thinking this looks great, but why wouldn't you just keep this for yourself and run off to a private island and never look back? That's a good question. There are a few important reasons why I'm sharing my software with you. 1, I do genuinely want to help you. There's plenty of money to be made in the Forex markets, and I don't have to be greedy about it. There's enough to go around. 2, I've been in a position of not having money, not having work, struggling, hating my job, and so much more. It's not easy. And if I can help someone out with my system, then I'm not going to hold it back. 3, my software adapts to the changes in the Forex market. I don't have to worry about a small chunk of people using my software and enjoying the profits with me. It won't cause the software to stop working. You've seen what Scalp Trader Pro can do. It's beginner-friendly and has adaptive technology for ever-changing market conditions. You are now almost ready to access your very own copy. But first, let me tell you what's included. 1. Scalp Trader Pro license. This license allows you to use the software on any Forex broker account, live or demo, one at a time. You can change accounts anytime, easily in the members area. 2. Software and manual. The software automatically installs Scalp Trader Pro to your broker platform. Then you can make minor adjustments such as for risk. You can read the easy-to-follow manual for detailed instructions. The software and manual are beginner-friendly. Even if you haven't traded Forex before, it will be simple for you. 3. Easy updates. Scalp Trader Pro rarely needs updating, but any updates that I complete, you will of course receive absolutely free. 4. Customer support. Scalp Trader Pro is really easy to install and set up. However, I do understand that you may have questions that arise. And that's okay, I'm happy to help you. That is why I make my assistant and myself available every day around the clock to be there for you. If you do happen to have any questions, just send me an email and I'll answer right away. Lastly, I set up a Facebook group for you to join and chat with other members and myself. Now let me ask you a question. What does passive income mean for you? This is your most valuable asset. And most people spend it working for someone else and getting paid by the hour. Getting paid by the hour has no leverage, meaning you can only get paid so much and you have to actually work during that time and cannot enjoy your life. But what if you could automate your income? What if you could build passive income by having your money work for you while you sleep, have fun, and spend time with your family? This is realistic. This is how millionaires and billionaires have so much free time, and yet their net worth keeps growing, even if they stop working. They invest their money and use only the profits from those investments while not touching their initial investment. Listen, you can do the same thing with Forex trading. Using Scalp Trader Pro, which is completely automated, just let it run on your account and the software will grow it. From time to time, withdraw profits or reinvest your profits and just keep moving forward. As you build your investment, your profits will grow and compound faster and faster. All this is being done for you passively. No need to put hours in, no need to give up freedom. Just let it run on complete autopilot. In a few moments, you'll be able to gain full access to the Scalp Trader Pro members area to download your copy. But first, please understand that I cannot give you Scalp Trader Pro for free. This software is beyond valuable. The strategy behind it, the testing, and the development were costly and time-consuming. Now, although the software could easily be valued at $1,000 or more, I'm not going to make you pay even close to it. And the truth is, by just running the software for a short period of time, it ends up paying for itself and exponentially paying you back a lot more. By charging a small fee for Scalp Trader Pro, I'm able to reinvest the funds into further improvements, testing of new systems, servers, programmers, and other team members who help me make this all possible for you. Now there's no need to worry, as I want to make this a risk-free investment for you, with my personal guarantee to you. Maybe you're new to Forex trading, or you've been cheated by so-called free systems that require you to trade on a live account. Or maybe you're just skeptical. Whatever the reason may be, I understand, and I want to make this as easy of a decision as possible for you. I want you to experience Scalp Trader Pro working for you, because I know it well. I'm going to make this risk-free as possible for you. If you want, you can start by running the software on a demo account to see that it works. This requires no upfront deposits. Once satisfied, switch to a live account and start collecting the profits. If for any reason at any time within 60 days you are not satisfied with the software, just let me know, and I will completely refund your entire payment to you. There is no risk for you to try Scalp Trader Pro. Towards the bottom of this page, you can sign up to gain instant access to the members area to download your copy of Scalp Trader Pro. Find recommendations and access detailed instructions to help you get started. Don't worry, it's easy. There are two options for you when joining. You can do a one-time payment or you can choose the payment plan, whichever you are more comfortable with. Please sign up as soon as possible to get started with your risk-free copy that is protected by my ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee. By signing up now, you'll be locking in this low lifetime price, as I'll be raising the price for Scalp Trader Pro in the near future. Years ago when I started trading, I did not have a lot of money to invest, but eventually I managed to claw my way up to cash-filled broker and bank accounts. So how did I do this? It wasn't all about trading. A big part of becoming successful is about investing in yourself before you can invest in other things. What I mean by this is if you don't have a lot of money to invest in the markets, then start small, but don't stop there. Instead of wasting money on going out for a fancy dinner, instead of wasting money on fancy electronics, invest in yourself. Put every extra dollar you can and invest it. The more you invest, the more money you have working to make you money, instead of putting money into items that just depreciate and lose value. Here you will see a return. Eventually you will accumulate enough wealth for yourself, your family, and enough for your future kids. But in order to do this, you need to take action today. Don't delay and don't make excuses. The longer you wait, the less time you have to build up. Let's get you started right now on the road to wealth. Scroll towards the bottom of this page to find the button to sign up.